Hey guys, caught me in the middle of a project again. Forgot to start it before I start videoing before I started the project, but I noticed the other day I took my Bronco out for a drive and had a puddle of brake fluid back by the rear right tire, and the wheel cylinder popped. So it's always a good idea to change those in pairs, and when I actually got it taken off, I can show you guys what was going on. So this is the side that was bad. I've already got it torn pretty much all the way down, but this is what's called a wheel cylinder right here. And as you can see, that side right there wasn't very healthy, and there's the puddle of brake fluid that it left. So, and I don't know which gave out first, the wheel cylinder or the spring, which is never good, which means that I was definitely only braking on one side of my truck. Yeah, so not ideal for a braking situation. So anyways, I have this side torn all the way down. I'm going to replace the spring kits, the hardware kits for both sides. I can show you what it looks like when it's all put together. So this is what it all looks like, a pretty big mess of springs and little tiny hardware pieces in there, but essentially all this does, this mechanism down here is that auto adjusts. So as the shoes, which are the actual parts that clamp on the drum, as the shoes wear out, this thing automatically adjusts. That spring up there applies pressure, and when it gets a little bit relaxed, then it starts letting it out. Anyways, I think that actually happens when you put the truck in reverse. I'm sure somebody who knows better than I do will correct me, but anyways, yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna tear them both down and replace the hardware and wheel cylinders, because if that side went, I'm sure that this side is not far behind. If that spring broke like it did, this is the spring that broke on the other side. That means these have been in here for a really long time. I don't know if I've ever seen a spring broken like that. So anyways, gonna try and get them all replaced. This is a dirty, nasty, pretty frustrating job. Drum brakes are not super trivial to work on, but anyways, see where we can get. finally got the brakes put back together. As you can see, took me multiple tries. I was actually cleaning up all the old parts and noticed that I had forgotten to put back, I don't know, it's kind of a keeper for the top part of the shoes to make sure that they don't flop towards the outside of the drum. And I essentially had to do the whole job all over again. I had to take the tires off, take the drum off, and undo all the springs, and then do it all over again. So I got some good practice in. So anyways, but it's all good. I took it out and tested the brakes, and works good. It stops. So that's the key thing. But anyways, thanks for watching.